And if we look at question 1, and you want to balance question 1, the idea is however many atoms you've got on the left-hand side, you must have the same number on the right-hand side. All right. So when I look at this, there's a classic way of doing this, which is you've got Zn. If you look at zinc on the left-hand side, you have one of them. Zinc on the right-hand side, well, you've got one of them. H on the left-hand side, you've got one of them. H on the right-hand side, you've got two of them. There you go. Chlorine on the left-hand side, you've got one of them. Chlorine on the right-hand side, you've got two of them. So these two are out. So you have to double them. Doesn't matter which one you pick, because the only way you're going to double H or Cl is by putting a big 2 in front of there. And the moment you put a big 2 in front of there, you've got 2 hydrogens, 2 chlorines, and this works. All my numbers are the same, so this one is balanced. All right. There's a little cheeky trick to do. You get it? Lovely. There's a little cheeky trick to do, which is when you come down to number 3, your SO4, treat SO4 as a simple sulfate ion, just a single thing. And when I look at it, and now I'll show you a really cheeky way of balancing equations. I've got one sulfate ion there. I've got one sulfate ion there. I'm happy. I look at OH as one thing. Well, I've got one OH there and I've got 2 here. So I'm going to have to put a 2 there. And fully enough, that's balanced now because I've got 2 sodiums, 2 OHs, 2 OHs, 1 copper, 1 copper, 1 sulfate, 1 sulfate. The second way is a very cheeky way of doing it, and I quite like that. All right. There you go. Actually, do you know what? Do this worksheet and practice just balancing equations in the day.